Check out this approval to $50,000 no-doc business line of credit and a $20,000 0% card from Truist Bank. And in this video, I'm going to share all the data points on how to get approved in under 5 minutes without any of the BS or fluff. So buckle up. If you're new to the channel, I'm Colin. I'm a Marine Corps veteran, and I run a funding company that currently funds over $4 million a month in approvals. And everything we teach here on this channel is real sauce from actually getting people funded every day, not the recycled nonsense you see from all these credit YouTube gurus. If you want my team to get you funding or fix your credit, links are in the pinned comment and the description below for funding and credit repair. All right, let's get right into it, guys. Now, if you walk into the wrong bank, they're going to ask you for tax returns, bank statements, P&Ls, the whole circus. But Truist has a very specific lane right now where people are getting approved up to $70,000 total, no docs, in the form of a $50,000 business line of credit plus a $20,000 0% business card with no financials required, no tax returns, no bank statements. And here's the part that matters. You can often do both on one hard inquiry in a single day. So here's the exact data points. For the $50K business line of credit, generally no docs are required. It's when you ask for $50K or more is when they will start digging into financials. We've had a handful of clients even get $75,000, $80,000, and $100,000 low doc lines of credits with just last year's tax return, and a $20,000 business credit card, often packaged the same day. One hard pull on your Equifax bureau is very calm if it's done in branch or on the same visits. And again, Truist most commonly pulls Equifax. Now, when you walk into the branch, they will still verify your business identity. You're typically going to need your articles of organization, your EIN letter, and an operating agreement if you have one. And if anyone's 20% or more owner, they'll have to come in with you to open the account. Now, this is not underwriting financials. This is just KYC, know your customer, verifying your identity. Now, the no-doc rule again, for the B-Lock, Truist prefers a 2-year LLC, and here's the clean threshold. If you requested a B-Lock of $50K or less, Truist often can approve that with no tax returns, bank statements, P&L, or balance sheet. If your request is above that, expect to provide at least last year's tax return. Now, that $50K line is really the sweet spot, and this is true for many no-doc banks, where $50K and below is going to be no financials required, just approved based off of stated income and your credit. Now, let's walk through the full $70,000 funding play. Step one, you go into the branch. On the same day, you open a Truist business checking account, typically with at least $1,000 deposit. And usually during that visit, you're going to speak with a business banker and apply for a $50,000 business line of credit and the $20,000 business credit card. These same day applications are where the one inquiry pattern usually shows up. Now, it's not guaranteed. This highly depends on the banker, the branch, but this is the consistent pattern. I'll tell you why MMV. Your mileage may vary. It's very important to call and interview the banker beforehand and make sure that they're going to let you run this play. Now, again, they typically do a poll on your Equifax bureau as well, right? Now, again, we're aiming for $70,000. It's $50K on the B-Lock and $20,000 on the 0% business credit card. Now, here's what to do if you actually have revenue. If you have last year's tax return, Truist and a lot of banks will approve around 20% of your gross revenue. For example, if you did $500K in revenue, you could be approved for 20%, about $100,000 business line of credit. We had a business owner in Tennessee, had $700,000 revenue and walked into Truist with 1 year tax return, got $100K business line of credit with low docs. Now, if you have less revenue, right, you might just want to stick with the no-doc play and get the $50K. Now, here's what makes this fail, because people mess this up. Even in a no-doc lane, you could still get denied for weak personal credit on your Equifax, high utilization on business or personal side, too many accounts, recent accounts, too many inquiries, thin profile, low credit limits, right? And sometimes it's just the wrong banker. You're going to want to call around. Your mileage may vary. You want to talk to different bankers that's going to help you reach this goal, right? Now, no doc doesn't mean no underwriting. They're underwriting with your personal credit scores and their internal models instead. So here's a quick recap. Truist is a nationwide lender in 18 states offering 0% business credit cards and business lines of credit, often with no docs below $50,000 and often with low docs below $100K. They pull Equifax bureau, and you can often get approved for 2 products with 1 credit inquiry. Now, if you'd like to work with me and my team to stack 6 figures of B-Locks or 0% funding or fix your credit, both links are in the pinned comment and the description below. Be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Comment any questions you have. I'll personally answer them, or share some data points and approvals you get with your fellow subscribers. Share the sauce, guys. It's Colin. I'll see you on the next one.